People know us in the market for the industrial, the LED market, but I think for the medical section, not many people know Meanwhile had the medical power supply. That's why we are here. And we work with a lot of distribution channels, such as Master Electronic. We do offer over probably 1,000 standardized models for you to select from. But more importantly, if you need to have some modification, we also very flexible on that part.
What we have here is our newest medical modular power supply, and we actually have two different configurations, the 6-slot 1,200 watts and the 4-slot 650 watts. And we can see here is the front end and as well as the module. So the modules, they would just fit inside the front end, and then you can fully customize and configure the different outputs. And then just based on the customer application, basically, you can have all different types of configuration. They are all certified to medical safety standard by themselves, and without any external filters or anything, they pass the EMI, EMC compliance. And also, we have here is the RPS 400. So this is the 5x3 footprint, very small product with 400 watts, believe it or not. And we also offer this in 3 different other form factors, such as the fan in the back, and we also have the fan at the top, and also just regular enclosed. So all of our power supplies, all of these supplies here, they're certified to the 60601-1 safety standards, and they are tested to make sure they pass the 2 times MOPP level. They're designed with very low leakage considerations as well, so they can be used for type BF, or with additional considerations, they may even be used for type CF applications. Over on this side, we have the medical adapters. So these are the external adapters, and as you can see, we have all the way ranging from very small form factor, low power, 5 watts, 10 watts, all the way to 220 watts. And they all come with the DC connectors, and understand that even though we're a standard power supply manufacturer, we can always modify the product to meet our customers' demands.